Hi children, good morning. Welcome to Techno class. Today we are going to discuss about forms of water. So already we were discussed regarding to the water, what is the percentage the water is there on our earth and what are the marine waters are the sources are presented and the fresh water how much is presented and the ice mountains, so ice polar regions particularly. So these all the things we were discussed and the sources of the water. Fresh water is presented. So how much fresh water we are using in our daily activities. So that also we discussed, isn't it? So now we are going to discuss about the formation of the water. So children, let's see what is the formation of the water. So before that, just I would like to say just an example of the solid, liquid and gaseous forms. So arrangement of the molecules, any substance. So they are in the solid form, liquid form and gaseous form. So the same thing applicable in our water also. So water we can see in a three regions. What is the three regions? Solid, next one liquid and next one gaseous form. Solid, liquid and gaseous forms of the water is presented according to the temperature. So that we are going to know. So before, so solid, when the molecules are arranged very tightly, very closely, then that is a solid form. Am I clear? When the molecules are arranged very closely, very tightly, then we call them any object also solid form. Best example I have chalk. So this is in a solid form because all these molecules are arranged very closely. Am I clear? So I am discussing about this regarding to the water. No? So ice. So when we see ice is very strong and we can catch that. It has a shape also, isn't it? So that is regarding to the solid. Next one is a liquid form. So liquid is we can be flowing. It will flow, isn't it? So they are loosely packed. So these are called loosely packed. Liquid form, loosely packed. So when we see liquid, it is in a loose or it can move from higher level to lower level, isn't it? Flowing. Next one is a gaseous form. So this is a molecules are freely arranged. They can be in the here and there. Freely arranged. Already I was discussed this one in the previous when we had a rain lesson. So instead of the rain lesson, they kept water. So the similar, but regarding to this, little different topics are added. That's why I am discussing, isn't it? So loosely packed. So children, we can see water is presented in the solid form. This water is presented in the liquid form, and this water is presented. We can see gases also. So is it possible to see? Yes. How can we see this solid, liquid, and gaseous form? When we see the solid form presented in the ice mountain. So this ice mountains always the cool regions. If that is hot, ice will become a man, isn't it? So that is one example. Next one is a liquid form. So this is a very common form we see in all the areas in our surrounding. So water we drink, water we plant for the planting also, or water for the building construction also. We see the water in the lake or wells or oceans or seas or wherever rivers also, isn't it? This all belongings to the liquid form only. So the majority of the water is presented in the liquid form. So this is in the constant temperature. It's not high or low. If it is high or if it is low, what's going to happen? I will tell you. So next one is a gaseous form. So this one we can see. I said in the humidity. Sometimes it is present in our atmosphere. So when we have the humidity, then we will not get the less air. So wind will not be presented more. Then we will get the sweat, isn't it? So always this gaseous form goes to the evaporate of the water regarding to the higher level of the layer. So it will be settled there and they form as a clouds, isn't it? They form as a clouds. Again, when it is there, weight it has come, then with mixed with the air, then it has to be come down. So that is a evaporation method. We have to discuss in later. Already we discussed, isn't it? So now let's see children. Ice. So ice is a solid form. Ice is a solid form. When ice heated, it's become a water. What is a water means? Liquid. Understand? So this is a liquid. This is a solid. When solid is heated, it's become a liquid. So when liquid is heated, it's become a water vapor. It's become a water vapor or vapor also, or this is a gaseous form also we can say. Once again I say children, once all of you please observe this one. We have a ice. When I heated this ice, it's become in a liquid form, that is water form. When liquid heated, it's become a gaseous form, that is a water vapor. Now we will come from here. So when gaseous form is cooled, when gas is cooled, it's become a liquid. When liquid is cooled, it's become a solid. Am I clear? So this is the way the state of the water is exchanging from the solid to liquid, liquid to gaseous form. Again, how the temperature is high when heated. When the temperature cooled, the gaseous form is changing into liquid, the liquid is changing into solid form. So this is the formation of the water from one level to another level because of the pressure and temperature presented. So the pressure temperature in a high, it's become a solid to liquid. If you give the more temperature, the liquid is going to gaseous form. When you give the less temperature or cool, the gaseous form is changing into liquid form. Again, we cool it, the liquid form is changing into solid form. Am I clear, children? Please once all of you observe. Have a nice day. The following. Thank you.